Got in between a hydraulic press.
Yeah, I screamed and they fucking let go.
I see you got blood blisters. You definitely.
What? No. Hello. Not much. Where you at? Tell you what, I got Chase with me. We'll start heading down 59 in your direction. You do the same.
Alright, good. I need like 2 minutes to get here.
Alright, cool. Alright. Bye. No, he was pretty right. That was Tim. I don't think I'm supposed to pull in here. Whoops. We passed Tim.
Oh, that was him?
That was Tim, yeah. Good call on that Latson Road.
You guys cool with taking 5?
Since we're here, I might as well top off.
What are you guys thinking?
Cody is gonna lead us on some stuff, and then I have a couple of other people when they get off work. They're supposed to hit me up and come catch us.
Cool.
I don't know what's going on with Mike. Yeah. Brian said he has to work until dark, so he said unfortunately he's out.
Right on. Well, I'm gonna top off and have a quick stickie.
Something to what? A cloth?
Like a spray.
What happened?
Oh no.
Bro, is it broken?
All yours, bud.
You should probably get yourself to the hospital if it hurts that bad, my dude.
No, I gotta get back to the work.
No, fuck all that, man. You know, you gotta work to live, don't live to work.
Did it happen at work? Then work should pay the medical bills and all time off.
Yeah, you should make sure that they fucking take.
Yeah, no, you should go to the doctor and make a proper medical claim so you can get everything paid for. They're obligated to pay by law.
Are you alone? Huh? Are you alone?
Right now.
Yeah, right now.
Can I
Are you
take
here
a
at the
look?
work truck or something, or your car? That's mine.
Can I see it? I won't touch it.
Yeah, I would go to the doctor.
You got in between a hydraulic press.
Yeah, I screamed and they fucking let go.
I see you got blood blisters. You definitely have some. It's a contusion. If you're moving it, it ain't broken. Even if it was, there's not a lot you can do.
But I would still make the proper claims in case something comes up later.
Get some fucking ice on it, my dude.
I got some in the car, but I have to get off the truck here. I have low. Thank you. Yeah, man.
Good luck, brother. Hey, make sure your work takes care of you. Or just go up to the hospital and don't even worry about calling them. Go get yourself taken care of.
Yeah, straight there.
Quit asking me questions, just let me pump my fucking gas. Or not. Where the fuck you going? Grrr. Okay, I guess we're pulling up over here then.
Where the fuck do you cross your finger? And why the fuck are you here asking a random for a rag when they've got like paper towels and shit?
I'm almost thinking that he probably went in, got ice or whatever. He's probably not thinking clearly. He was like shaking, you know? And then he came out going, well, wait a minute. Does anybody have a towel? Maybe the ice was cold and he's like, how am I going to apply this? And that's why he was asking for a towel.
We're going to have to go out this way.
Okay.
I would have had tears of joy in my eyes if I got between a fucking hydraulic press and didn't lose a finger. If that's how you came out of that situation, you got real fucking lucky.